Seal-Fast Repair Hero. Repair Hero is a solvent-based, fiber-reinforced terpolymer sealant intended to repair asphalt, modified bitumen, metal, Kynar-coated metal, concrete, TPO, PVC, Elvaloy PVC, Hypalon, PIB and EPDM roofs. Repair Hero is VOC compliant in all 50 states, including California. Repair Hero is available in white, black, or gray and is packaged in 1 or 3 gallon pails. Repair Hero is extremely strong and elastic with high elongation and high tensile strength to ensure performance under conditions that may cause asphalt-based cements to fail. Features and benefits. Repair Hero's versatility makes it the only maintenance and repair product you need in your truck. It has excellent adhesion to all roof substrates, including asphalt, metal, and single plies. It completes repairs on surfaces that are wet, dry, and even underwater. It will not freeze. It's a true all-weather repair product. No stirring is required, and cures in 24 to 48 hours. A shelf life of 2 years or more. Application. The surface must be cleaned to ensure proper adhesion, even when underwater. Repair Hero is best applied with a trowel in a layer approximately 1/8 inch thick. Taper the edges of the repair to create a smooth transition. Polyester fabric may be embedded for added strength. If embedding fabric, it is best to apply a 1/8 inch layer, then the fabric, and cover with an additional 1/8 inch layer. Use care when applying to EPDM membrane. The solvents in Repair Hero may make the EPDM membrane swell. Do not use Repair Hero to fill pitch pans. Close the lid tightly after use to ensure a longer shelf life. Things to remember. Repair Hero is VOC compliant in all 50 states, including California. Repair Hero is available in white, black, or gray, and is packaged in 1 or 3 gallon pails. All surfaces, even those underwater, must be cleaned to ensure proper adhesion. Repair Hero completes repairs on surfaces that are wet, dry, and even underwater. Repair Hero should not be considered a permanent repair on single-ply membranes. Do not use Repair Hero to fill pitch pans.